Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure Premium specification. So we've taken this car in part exchange, and it's got a full service history with Howard's as well. It comes with this lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car there's a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 17,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.